Buongiorno, baddies. Welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, compute 40% of 20% of 10% of 80,000. So there are a multitude of ways you can do this, but I'm going to go this way, okay? So 10% of 80,000 is literally just 8,000 because you just get rid of a zero. So now we're working with 8,000 and our 10,000 is already done. But how are we going to compute 40% and 20%? Well, you could technically compute it with just computing it one by one. Or you could convert them both to decimals, so 0.2 and 0.4. And you could multiply them together first because it's percentage, and then it's basically just multiplying them together. Yeah. Anyway, the point is, you would get 0.08, and then you would combine that with 8,000, our remaining 8,000. Since there are two decimal points you need to converge, you would get rid of these two decimal points as well. These two zeros. And you would get 8 here. It's just like a little sacrifice. And 80 times 8 is 640, so our final answer is 640. Think of the two zeros as a sacrifice, okay? That makes it slightly more interesting. Not very, though. Anyway, the glass gauge on a cylindrical coffee maker shows that there are 45 cups left when the coffee maker is 36% full. How many cups of coffee does it hold when it is full? So my math teacher at school always said that when you are doing a problem where you have to have a variable, you always have to define it before you start, or he's going to give you a bad grade. But that doesn't count. So x can be number of cups when full. Smiley face. So if x is the number of cups when it's full, that means that 36%, because when it's 36% full, there are 45 cups. 36% of x is equivalent to 45. Both sides you divide by 36%, which is also equivalent to 36 over 100. When you divide by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal, so 45 times 100 over 36. Then, here, we are going to simplify by 9, because that's just the biggest one you can simplify by. That is obvious. And this is 5. Divide again, 25. So x is equivalent to 125. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. Since today will be National Purple Day from now on, I'm making a purple smiley face. So yeah, I will see you all on the next one. Bye-bye.